a video of this. Got an absolute toad walleye. First ice. Get a release. Oh, baby.
Let that big girl go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God.
Fills up that 8-inch hole.
That is a big fish. Attaboy, Tommy. Nothing wrong with that at all.
This blood here is from me.
Yeah, he got bit by a jack.
Give her a little bit of time. It was a long fight.
I missed the fight on the fish because we thought it was a burbot at first, and we didn't think it was that big. And then once it got to a hole, I didn't really have time. I had to land this fish for Tommy, but we got pictures of it, and we're catching the release.
There we go. She's getting ready.
There we go. She'll kick off.
Yep.
There we go. Attaboy.
Baby, give me some.
Attaboy.
First ice, baby.
That is awesome.
Big. He's already here.
No, it's a good one.
Is it?
It's pretty
Yeah.
big. Hooked up to another fish here.
Is it a walleye?
Mm-hmm. It's a good walleye.
Oh, I didn't like that.
I thought it broke off.
It's biting into the ice.
Is it? The line?
Ooh.
Ooh. Yeah, careful.
This is big.
This is a good fight.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh.
What is it? Oh, it's big. It's big. Oh, it's coming right at me.
How does it feel?
Oh, he's here. He's here.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Here. It's wrapped up. Oh. Here, grab him on the head, maybe. Grab him by the head.
Well, it's kind of hard to. Don't really want to get a hook in the hand either.
Oh! He's on you.
Oh.
Here, I got him.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got him?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, be careful, don't pull too hard yet.
Yeah, I'll just get the hook out and then be good. There we go. Oop. Are you on?
Yeah, I have a
Oh,
fish.
that's me, that's me, that's me.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god. That's another good one. You want to take a picture of this guy?
Yeah, just wait. This video isn't going to be ideal. Hold her up for the camera there.
Oh,
Okay,
baby.
We'll take 2 pictures and then we'll get a release video. Okay, we're going to get a nice little release video.
We'll see how this goes with the line there. Another like 26-incher probably.
Yeah, let's get her back. There we go. Pounded, buddy.
Boy.
How does that feel?
Feels really good.
2 in a row,
really
and
good.
I am not catching anything.
Oh.